Welcome. Today we are going to show you how to make a payment online to an existing order with a balance. First, visit our website at olli.eckerd.edu and left-click on the Member Sign-In button at the top of the page. You should be directed to the sign-in page where you will enter your username and password. Next, left-click the Sign-In button. After logging into your account, find the My Account hyperlink near the top of the page and left-click to open up a new page. Locate the Make a Payment button and left-click. Any orders with a balance will be listed here. You can view the detailed invoice by left-clicking on the order number. This will open up a new window with the order details. When you are ready to make a payment, left-click on Pay. Follow the prompts to complete the payment and confirm your enrollment. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial. If you need further assistance, contact the OLLI office at 727-864-7600.